Hello everyone สวัสดีค่ะ This is teacherbyu. Welcome back to my channel. If you are a fan of Thai culture, this is a must-watch video. Let's take time machine back to the beginning of 2000. Today we will learn famous Thai Y2K slang. Stay tuned. These 6 Y2K slangs will bring back the good memory. And also, you can impress your Thai friends with these slang. Let's get started. The first one, Kiku anone. Kiku anone. It sounds like Japanese. Yes, but it's actually not really Japanese language, but we make it sound like Japanese. In the beginning of 2000, Japanese pop cultures are very famous in Thailand. All Japanese fashion, Japanese pop music, very popular in Thailand. So we create this slang. Kiku anone means like kawaii in this day. It's like cute, narak, like very cute, something very cute, very adorable. We say Kiku anone. Kiku anone. Next one, jab. Jab. So if I refer back to my previous video about Gen Z slang, you can go back and watch this video. I talk aboutจึ้ง, and also pang, bua. So these days we use that word, but back in the beginning of 2000, we use jab. Jab means cool, awesome, cool. Jab. Next one, chok cinema. So this one really derived from English. Not only Japanese pop culture that are very popular back then, American and Western cultures also popular as well, especially Hollywood movie. Hollywood 90s and 2000 movies are really popular in Thailand. There was a TV program called Shock Cinema that broadcasts Hollywood movie during weekend. And when we feel shocked or something surprise us, we will say shock cinema. Like it surprised me, you surprised me. Shock cinema, like that. Shock cinema. Next one, สบมยหสบมยห Gen Z, they love using a lot of abbreviation, as well as back then in the Y2K period. What is shortened from? สบมยหสบมยห Okay, we can part it into two. First one, สบม is shortened from สบายมากสบมสบายมมากสบายมาก What about ยอย่าหห่วงอย่าห่วงสบมสบายมาก easy a piece of cake easy สบมสบายมากอย่าห่วง don't worry อย่าห่วงอย่า don't ห่วง worry don't worry อย่าห่วงสบมยหสบายมากอย่าห่วง Let's move forward. เดทสมอลเล่sound like English, but actually not. So in the past, we use a lot of English word. We Thainize it. Dead is from the word dead in English, and we make it funnier. So we put samole at the back, become dead samole. Dead samole is really like something die. We use this especially when we play game in the past. Let's turn back time. You playing console game, and whenever it's show that the game is over, we will say desamoleแล้ว like that. Next one. พระเจ้าจอร์จมันยอดมากพระเจ้าจอร์จมันยอดมากพระเจ้า is God George is the name of a guy George yes is the name of a man George พระเจ้า George มันยอดมากมัน is it ยอด is fabulous awesome มาก very so this one basically mean oh God George is cool is awesome it's fabulous actually this phrase became viral because of the TV program at the end of the day when the TV channel like after midnight they will have a direct sale program where they selling random things yes at that time there was like a presenter and we have someone to dub it in Thai and the famous phrases of that time is like oh my God George is cool so it's become พระเจ้าจอร์จมันยอดมากพระเจ้าจอร์จมันยอดมาก so this become catchphrases of teenagers during the Y2K period. How was it, guys? Did you enjoy the language change and the culture behind each phrases and words? If you want to learn more how language change influence Thai people, you can go back and watch this video about slangs. I film video about Gen Z slangs and everyday most commonly used Thai slangs here, this video. So please go back and watch this video. See you in the next one. เจอกันค่ะ